I can't stop looking at it. All eyes on me, ain't nothing they can do about it. Every time I do my thing, they talk about it. No matter the mood I'm in, I love when I move like this. I can't stop looking at it. I can't stop looking at it.
At this point, it's no surprise. Another day brings yet another leak about the Google Pixel 9. This time, we're looking at the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which marks Google's second foray into the foldable smartphone market. A promotional video in German has surfaced, revealing some intriguing details. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is set to feature a larger folding display compared to its predecessor, enhancing multitasking capabilities. The video also showcases Google's Magic Editor, which allows users to modify the backgrounds of their photos. Notably, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be both thinner and lighter than the original Pixel Fold, a key point in its marketing strategy, especially since it can open completely flat at 180 degrees, something the original Pixel Fold couldn't achieve. According to Android headlines, the device will measure 10.5 millimeters thick when folded and 5.1 millimeters when unfolded. For comparison, Vivo has touted the X Fold 3 Pro as the world's slimmest foldable phone at 5.2 millimeters thick. This isn't surprising, as the Google Pixel Fold was previously labeled the slimmest foldable in the US. However, there's a catch. While it may be the slimmest, it could also be the heaviest, which isn't the best combination. Reports suggest that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will weigh in at 257 grams, while the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is 236 grams and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is 239 grams. The hinge design of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold appears to be new, resembling that of the OnePlus Open more than its predecessor. Lastly, Google's Gemini AI gets a mention, as expected, and the device will come in two colors: obsidian, black, and porcelain, white. Now, if you are curious about what Google's Tensor G4 chipset has in store for the upcoming Pixel 9 family, well, the latest leak might not be the most exciting news. Reportedly, the G4 will be the smallest upgrade in the Tensor line so far, all in an effort to maintain thermal efficiency and power consumption. The main power-draining component in the G3, the Exynos 5300 modem, will be replaced with the more efficient Exynos 5400 in the G4, promising up to 50% better efficiency. Despite this, the G4 is said to be nearly identical to its predecessor in terms of features like AI capabilities, camera functions, and security measures. This subtle upgrade is supposedly due to the fact that the G4 is more of a stopgap solution, while Google works on a completely new chip for future devices. So, how do you like the upcoming Pixel Fold 2 from Google? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates, do check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.